Okay, so welcome to our channel once again. Today we are going to be diving into flyer design. So this is where your graphics journey starts. In our first and second video, we just show you how you can use the tools, what the tools does, and then the result you attempt to get. But now this particular video, it is graphic design, how to make a flyer using those tools that we have already informed you about, or maybe educate you about. So particularly in this aspect, now we are going to use those tools to create an amazing design, which you can see. So as you can see here, I have my Nike shoe and I have my Nike logo icon here, and then I have my workspace. You get my workspace. So what I will be doing now, what I will be doing here is to create an amazing design. So the first thing I will do now, I want to blend this color in this background. That is what I want to do, so that it will give me a perfect flyer. So one of the things that will help your flyer as a beginner is how you blend your colors. Do not make your color shouty, because in life there are hierarchy. So you don't have to make all the color pops. One have to give way for the other. So now what we are doing here now is, first of all, to blend our color. So I will tap G on my keypad and then I drag. Then after dragging, I will come here and I click on to make this one cycle. So if you can see what they wrote here, they say elliptical fountain fill. So I want to fill that background. So I will come here now, click on this button, then use this color eyedropper tool or color picker, whichever one, and come here and then pick on this color. Come again and come to this side, do the same thing, but I'll use the darker version here. So as you can see, we already gotten our color that we will blend. We get. So I'm just trying to blend it now, okay, so that's a little bit okay. As time goes on, we will blend what if we want to get the perfect color. So I'll come here, come to my right hand, text tool, and then I click on text, come here, then type Nike. Then I'll come drag it from here. If you want to increase your font, don't drag from here, don't drag from here, drag from here, this place and this place, so that, because if you drag from here, this is how it will look. If you drag from here, this is how it will look. So it's not advisable for you to drag from there. So drag from here, and then I will now place it at the middle here, and then come select the font which I want. I want to use this one, Bison, which is like a Nike font, and then tap my P to centralize it. Then like this. Then I'll still go back to that blend to blend it the way I want. And I'll come now, increase my font. I hold my shift so that everything can increase on the same size. So I'll come now, put the Nike shoe. You get. So as you can see, there are ways which I can play with it, but what I want to say is the shoe. So I will increase the shoe a little bit, and then I'll do shift page up. There is an icon that, or maybe on your keyboard you will see a shift button, and then you see page up. So you click, you hold shift, and then you do page up, and your shoe now will now come up. So I'll highlight the both of them and then reduce it a little. Reduce it a little so that it can be able to centralize. Then I'll still go back to my highlight, because I need it to blend well. Drag it up. Okay, it's like this. I need to blend well. Okay, and I'll come here to my this, because I want to create a shadow. You get. Then I'll come at the edge of the shoe, then drag a little bit my cycle, or make it flatter. I'll come here to color it, make it black, remove the outline. Then I'll convert it first to a JPEG format. You see, so if I want to convert to a JPEG format, it is like this RGB color. Then I'll click OK. After clicking OK, I will come here and then look for blur. You see blur effect. I'm using a Gaussian blur. I'll come here and you can see, if you can see, let's go back again. You can see if I start to adjust it, start giving me that shadow effect, and there about that shadow effect. So I don't want it too much. So for me, I will leave it at 18.6. So what I will do, I will drag it down a little, like this, and then increase it here, drag it here, try to centralize it. So most of those shadow effects you normally see on design in CorelDraw, these are being created, and we'll just come to transparency and just reduce it a little, maybe 9 or 11. 11 is okay by me, get. But if I'm not satisfied, I can just come here and then do 23. So 23 is okay. Then this is Nike logo, so I can just come here like this, put it on this aspect, then do that shift page up again, and drag the shoe a little bit. Then I just come to my white and place my white. Yes, drag this one up a little bit, drag it up a little bit, and then that's done. Then I just group everything. Come here, you can see group or Ctrl G. I will make sure to centralize everything. Then I still ungroup. You can see ungroup it, and then I adjust. So I can just come now, still check my highlight if it is okay. Still check my highlight if it is okay. Then I'll just highlight everything and then increase it. Hold my shift and increase it. So whenever you're increasing, is here, not here. You don't increase from there, you increase from here, or here. So at the edge. So as you can see, creating a simple Nike design. So let me tap my zoom to zoom inside for you guys. So when creating a design, you see I blended the two colors. You see one is thicker, and you can see the step that it took to be more sharper. So your background is one of the most things you should look at for when creating an amazing design. So with this, if I can submit this to Nike and they post my design and the rest, so you have to make your designs to be simple and smart and then straightforward. So that's it.